Hello everyone. We're going for a afternoon walk because this Hakim is just crying at home. We're leaving there. Where? No. I don't know there. You can pass there?
Let's go like this here. Usual pass there.
You see the surroundings. This one is just in our neighborhood. This maze is very nice. It's going very fast. About You see guys, kids are playing football here. It's very nice to sit here. Abari. Hello. Hakim Sepo. Hakim. So in this side is going to Uganda border. We're very near to Uganda border. It's now 5 in the afternoon, but it's very cool. The weather is very good. Now we are walking, going to the border of Uganda. So this land, they called it no man's land. Like no one owns this land. It's a very big land. So I cannot pass to Uganda. So we are just walking here, just in the border. Look at the view, guys. Very nice. Trevan and Hakim is here. Hello.
Hi.
Hakim, hi. So this is the no man's land, guys. Very wide land. Now that side is already Uganda. We are not crossing. We will just walk this side. Yes, I'm gonna show you the border. Hmm? You see guys, people are planting sweet potatoes here. Oh Lord. Now we are approaching to the border. Okay. So this is the border now. This is the border, you see, Kenya, and then Uganda. We're in the border of Uganda and Kenya. You see? So now that side is already Uganda. So now we want to go back home. Here is a very nice view. You see, people are just planting here. Habari. Bari. So now we're going back home, guys. We want to look for fish, samaki, for supper. Oh, hello, guys. Hakim is very happy when he's going out. You see? He likes walking. He likes going outside. But he cannot walk yet. We're walking in the another way so we can show you around how beautiful our place is. Our place is very calm and very quiet. So now guys, we want to look for fish in that small shop. They call it kibanda. We're buying fish, nail patch, and tilapia. We are back. Eh? We are back now, guys. It's now 5:30. Only 30 minutes walk. Sometimes it's good to walk, to feel the nature, the beautiful nature. Okay, we're here. That is our apartment. Yes, we are back.